Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the ST5461D04-1-C-7 T-Con board. Designed as a replacement part compatible with a wide range of TCL TVs, this board is manufactured by Tjfujie and is aimed at providing a reliable solution for TV owners experiencing display issues related to the logic or timing control of their screens. This board is engineered to be highly durable and resistant to damage or corrosion, ensuring long-term performance even under regular use. Before purchasing, it is critical to match the circuit board with the original board in your TV. As several TCL models may share the same TV model number but have different logic board numbers. Installation should ideally be performed by a professional TV repair technician, to ensure the issue actually originates from the T-Con board and not another component. In terms of specifications, the board is compact, measuring just under 3 inches by 2.5 inches, and weighs approximately 12 ounces. Its small size allows it to fit seamlessly into the television's existing layout without requiring major adjustments. The product comes directly from Tjfujie Electronics Technology Company, reflecting its focus on providing quality electronic replacement components. One of the standout features of this board is its wide compatibility. It is suitable for multiple TCL series, and several more, making it a versatile option for repairs across different models. The manufacturer emphasizes that verifying compatibility is essential to avoid mismatches that could lead to further issues with the television. Whether your TV is experiencing lines on the screen, flickering, or complete display failure, this board can serve as a direct replacement to restore functionality. Its installation restores the TV's original display capabilities without the need for purchasing a completely new television. The board is engineered for efficiency and reliability, with attention to both electrical stability and durability under prolonged use. To summarize, this board offers a practical solution for those seeking to repair their TCL televisions with a high-quality, original replacement part. Its wide compatibility, robust construction, and professional-grade design make it a reliable option for anyone looking to address display problems without investing in a new TV. If you have a TCL model that matches the listed compatibility, this board could be exactly what you need to get your television back to optimal performance. That wraps up our review for this board. Stay tuned to Product Critique for more detailed insights on electronics and replacement parts.